President Donald Trump announced Monday night that he would nominate Judge Brett Kavanaugh to replace retiring Justice Anthony Kennedy on the nation's highest court. In a primetime announcement from the White House, Trump debuted his second Supreme Court nomination. Kavanaugh is a noted judicial conservative who, as Trump previously promised, is similar to his first pick, Supreme Court Justice Neil Gorsuch. Justice Kennedy announced his retirement 2 weeks ago, just hours after the closing of the court's term. His departure will become official at the end of July, ending 31 years of service following his appointment by President Ronald Reagan. While announcing Judge Kavanaugh during a ceremony in the East Room of the White House, President Trump said, "Judge Kavanaugh has devoted his life to public service. For the last 12 years, he has served as a judge on the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals with great distinction, authoring over 300 opinions which have been widely admired for their skill, insight, and rigorous adherence to the law. Among those opinions are more than a dozen that the Supreme Court has adopted as the law of the land." Former President George W. Bush praised President Donald Trump's nomination of Brett Kavanaugh for the Supreme Court on Monday, calling it an outstanding decision and praising Kavanaugh as a brilliant jurist. President Trump's nomination of Kavanaugh has set the stage for a bruising confirmation battle, as Senate Democrats and liberal groups vow to resist what could be a dramatic and long-lasting rightward shift on the Supreme Court. For more political news faster, visit solsnews.com.